Hey y'all, so I am at the car wash, vacuuming my car. I feel like I done sweated my hair out because it's hot out here. So I'm trying to hurry up and get gone because it's hot. But everybody putting in a little bit of work today. Everybody putting in some work. I am sitting back here in the third row, trying to vacuum. The vacuums is not working as good as they were last time, in my opinion. And I definitely want to have my car detailed. Like, I want to get in all these little nitty-gritty areas, and only a detailer could do all of that. So yeah. Alright, so we just got some food. Okay, so we just finished eating. We had sheets. I had a taco salad from there. It was so good. We all had these little drinks. I got coconut strawberry, and I was pleasantly surprised at how good it was. I enjoyed that. And then I just got a bottle of water on the side because it was sweet, so I needed the bottle of water. So they're just out here running around. I'm watching, do y'all watch Life is Neek? I love watching her channel. I started back watching them, I think it was like 2020 when her and King had first separated or whatever. And I think I was pregnant with August at the time, and I used to watch her all the time. Then I stopped watching for whatever reason. You know, you be getting on YouTube, doing this, that, going wherever, and then you think about a person from the past, like, oh, let me go back and see how her channel doing, or what she, you know, how things is going over there. I went over there, child. it's funny, that's all I'll say. But yeah, I love watching her channel. It's nice. So I am knocking out some laundry, and I do mean some, because each of the little ones, they had 3 loads apiece. So they're white loads, they're darks, and then they're colors. Will I be able to get through 6 loads today? Probably not, because we don't wash. Like the machines, we can't get the machines after 7:30 because the laundry room closes at 9. So they do have a cutoff time for washing. So I don't know. I might not be able to get through all 3 tonight, but I have already done about 3, so I have 3 more to go. So we shall see if I'll be able to get through them. But laundry is like, it could be so overwhelming sometimes, but I need to get this done. Like what I've been doing lately is kind of just like washing enough for the week with the little ones. And it's just time to get it. I hate doing that because it's just always dirty clothes there, you know, and then before you know it, you're back with a whole pile of stuff, because, you know, kids be changing clothes a lot. Like, somebody might have to pee, they might have to take a bath during the middle of the day, they might, you know what I mean, mess up their pajamas, now you gotta change those out. Like, it's just, with kids, it's never just 1 to 2 outfits a day. It's more like 4 outfits a day. So, yeah. So, y'all, I'm about to get started on dinner. It is 5:30. I'm supposed to start cooking dinner at... It's 5:30. I'm supposed to start cooking dinner at... darn it, 4. But it's Friday, so whatever. Let me show y'all this though. So if you watched the video right before this, when you saw that I went to Sam's Club and purchased a few things, right? So I'm thinking I'm just getting some Cinnabon, like they already cinnamon rolls in the box, just frozen, and I could just heat them up. Child, it was cans. I don't know how I didn't pay attention to the cans, and ended up putting this thing in the freezer. And what this say? So, child, I am so pissed, because this was, I don't even remember how much this cost. I don't even remember how much. this costs, but I mean, bruh, like, I don't want to waste my stuff like that. So I took this out this morning. I opened it up this morning, the box, and when I realized it was a can, man, I was heated because, you ain't supposed to put no daggone dough in no freezer. And this has been sitting out all day. And I'm just nervous about it. Like, I'm mad I did that. But here go my chicken. I had this out since around like 9 something this morning. So it's good and ready to be cooked. I'm going to just go ahead and fry these. Probably make some mashed potatoes. And let's see. I got a can of corn, but I don't know. I kind of wanted like some broccoli or something. So I think I'm going to actually just go with my corn on the cob instead of that. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. It's actually Saturday, the day before Mother's Day. Pardon me that the lighting is kind of bad out here, but it's like going on 8 o'clock, I think, and the lights in my car don't work, so I gotta go get a bulb for that. But tell me why. Okay, so I didn't tell y'all this because I haven't been vlogging like daily. I've been kind of like doubling up on my vlogs. So I go out the other day to get something to eat, and I met this guy while out, right? So he kind of just approached me like on some like, oh, I'm just so happy, I just want to share my good news with somebody, right? So he was like, well, I just got this new job, this position that I've been trying to like get into or something, plus it's like they going out of town, so it's gonna be like a travel thing. I get to go on a trip and I get a new job, whatever. He was just like, ain't God good? I just want to share the good news of what God did for me with somebody else. So I was like, oh yeah, he always right on time. I'm happy for you. Good, you know what I mean? I'm glad that you got what you was looking for when it comes to your career, right? So he was like, yeah, thank you so much, sis. Is it okay if I call you sometimes? I know you got your kids and everything, and you probably busy, so I'm not like looking for nothing like serious, but you just seem like a nice person that I could talk to. So I'm like, yeah, sure, because I'm like, I don't really have any friends down here like that now, so I don't really have a problem with just conversation, because I thought that he was like a good, stable-minded person that I could just, talk to. Hey, how was your day? You want to go to lunch or something? Just, just sweet, short and simple like that, because I didn't have like an interest in him. Although I have recently decided that I am ready to begin dating. I've been single since July of 2022. So I don't see what it would hurt. I think I gave myself enough time to really be by myself and get myself together. And the remainder of stuff is like, okay, well, I'm in therapy. I'm dealing with certain things, and we kind of digging up some older things to kind of just talk about them, figure out ways to deal with them in a healthy way, and to really like do some work on myself, right? So I'm like, I'm still going to do that regardless, but I think I've given myself enough time from the time of my last relationship on till now. So I'm interested in dating, meaning going out with a guy, getting to know him, and that is that, right? So with that being said, I'm like, okay, this could possibly be like not the serious, but just at least a friend, to an adult friend that I could like go out with when the time permits, right? So this guy, it's only been about 3 days since since I gave him my phone number, and he's been calling me. He started calling me, I think, the very same night, but I just, like when I'm in the house and I'm busy with my kids or whatever, I don't be trying to like be on the phone, especially with no guy, because I got a 14-year-old. And I just feel like I don't want them listening into my phone call like that, because you never know what topics might come up. And it's just not my kids' business to listen to me have conversations with another adult. So whenever he called, I'm typically in. Friday, I think I met him on Friday, if I'm not even mistaken. Like, it was either Thursday or Friday. Now it's Saturday. But anyway, so like I said, yesterday he was calling. I didn't have time to call him back. Today he's calling, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go outside so that I could, kind of talk to him, fill him out a little bit. Child, it was a mess. I called this man back. He talking about, oh yeah, I've been calling you. What's up? You still dealing with your baby father? I mean, that's kind of obvious, but it's all good though, because I still I live with my baby mother. It's all good. You could just tell me though, and da 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 da, and all of this and all of that. And I'm like, I sat there for a second and I said, you know what? That's fine. Take care, okay? You have a good one. So he was like, no, 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 don't hang up yet. Don't hang up yet. I mean, whatever it is, you could just tell me. You could just tell me. So I just was like, okay, being real patient now, because I was on my way up off the phone. And he was like, oh, well, you could just tell me what it is. So I said, well, can I just ask, how did you come up to that conclusion? Because the last I checked, we only just gave each other, got each other's numbers like 3 days ago. And I haven't spoken to you not one time since then. So what gave you the impression that I still deal with my kid's father? And he just was like, I don't know, maybe I'm just psychotic. And I was like, oh my God, here we go. Lord, thank you for giving me a clean mind and a space that just doesn't even go for this kind of mess anymore. What do you mean that you just kind of, that you guess you just psychotic? Like, what are you talking about? This is the way you want to start a conversation with somebody you just met, whether it was for friends, to be more, whatever. Like, this is how you want to start the conversation, talking about how you psychotic. You think I live with my baby father, and it's all right because you live with your baby mother, but y'all not dealing with each other. She just helping you out right now because you were invested in a relationship. You were invested in a relationship with someone else, and now she is helping you out, I guess, with a place to stay. And then he had the nerve to tell me that he got a baby on the way. He said it's not with the girl, his baby mother that he living with now. So I'm assuming it's with the relationship that he just got out of. But he was like, he couldn't really give me much details because she was sitting right there. And although they don't have anything together, he just don't go into a lot of details about stuff like that around her. And I was like, okay. And so I was just thinking like, Dad, how can I get off this call? Because this call got to end. I can't do it. I can't do it. He started talking about how this is going to be his first time being able to see his kid being born, how he going to do this and do that. And I'm like, you know what? I got to go. Okay. He been in and out of the law. I mean, which that doesn't scare me at all. Pretty much everybody that I've dated has been in jail and stuff like that. But that's just not the kind of situation that I want now. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not afraid or concerned about your past, but I just not looking to go back into a guy like that. He just like he really needed somebody to talk to. So I put the phone on mute and pretending like I was taking another call, and I was just like, yeah, can I call you right back? Because I just couldn't do it, So it's okay. It's okay because, like I said, I just thought that he came up to me, he shared his good news. He seemed like a decent guy. But it just seems like he got a lot going on. And with me already being like really overwhelmed and burdened with being a mom of 4, 3 of which I'm 100% responsible for, and just having all the things that I'm trying to clean up in my life, I don't think that I could really dedicate my time to really getting to know him right now. Like, I'm looking for somebody who is going to be a friend, but like a friend with like a stable situation. Or if we're going to go into like relationship type things, or like a courtship, I guess I should say, because I'm not really looking to necessarily be in a relationship. I'm looking for something a little bit more serious at this point. So, like just getting to know each other for the purpose of marriage. So it's like one of the two, you know what I mean? Like either we just gonna be friends, or we're trying to dictate and fill each other out to see if we are interested in each other when it comes to marriage. So yeah, he definitely wasn't one, because he just seemed really unstable. If you're gonna scream out, I mean, I guess I'm just psychotic. Like, yeah, okay, all right, so. yeah, just thought I would share that. It's okay, like I said, because it's like the first guy that I've been on the phone with in a long time, and it's okay. I thank God that it was just one conversation, and within the first conversation, everything I needed to see was revealed already in 10 minutes. So it's okay, but I am open to dating now, and we'll see how this goes over the next couple of weeks as I continue to meet people and speak with people. So just thought I would share that because it was rather interesting. And if you have a crazy dating experience or a good dating experience that you would like to share, please leave it in the comments below, so that I can see and probably just get a little bit of encouragement as I begin to embark this next journey that I have decided that I'm ready to go on. So I am back in. I just came back from Domino's. I got some pizza. It was actually a free pizza because I had like some points that I could redeem. So I just got some chicken and beef on my pizza. And something hard just went in my tooth. I'm like, did the chicken have a bone in it or something? Because that was definitely not the move. But overall, the pizza is it's pretty good. So then I also went to Taco Bell and got me a passion fruit slushy. And now I'm about to just call it a night. Probably watch something on YouTube or a movie or something on my phone. I hope everybody's having a really good Mother's Day weekend so far. And if you're not, hopefully it will get better by tomorrow, because tomorrow is officially Mother's Day. But by the time y'all see this, yeah, by the time y'all see this, it will be Mother's Day. So yeah, enjoy your Mother's Day. Have an awesome, awesome day. And thank you guys too for going on to the registry for both me and August. And thank you for sending August gifts. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna make sure he goes live to open them up and thank everyone. So again, thank y'all for watching. And he is dancing his butt off right now. But thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that on the way out, and also hit the join button to check out the memberships that I offer so you can get access to my exclusive footage available only to my members. Okay, so thank y'all again for watching. Later, alligators. Bye-bye.